you, I got the death grip on it. Everything else might go down left arm hold on for dear life.
Well, we're waiting for one of them videos. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, look down here at me.
Boiler removal.
Taking the old boiler out. Pipes are starting to come down in here.
I'm going to make a notation at the 9.5 ECU boiler.
I already got that on there. How old is that thing?
Probably 1940. Originally it was a coal-fired boiler. It's original, and then converted to gas.
Back in 1981, when we come down here and got our gas ready to turn on, they told me I needed $3,500 for a gas deposit, and that was in 81. And I told them they had to come down and look that we wasn't using this, and they couldn't believe that we were not going to be heating this place with this. And then we didn't have to have no gas deposit when they seen we put a small forced air unit in and a wall hanging unit. It's coming out.
Old man Toth on the torch.
Yeah, that's old Ron Toth.
Wow.
Toaster.
Rebel with a torch.
What'd you say?
Rebel with a torch.
A rebel with a torch. We'll always remember that if we need a fire job. Well, that's a thud.
Little water running, boys.
You want them in your ground? Come on.
Put it on record. Well, right down there is the big piece of steam pipe that just took and fell down. And up there is what he cut it off of. Cutting it out in sections so we don't bust the concrete when it falls. That's inside the